let's be completely honest with ourselves. When 365 Days dropped, it didn't just trend, it practically took over the internet. Love it or hate it. There is something undeniable, addictive about high intensity romance mixed with massive psychological mind games, absolute luxury and danger. But once the credits roll out on Trilogy, you are left cooking for the same specific rush. You want films that push the boundaries, stories where passion borders on obsession, where corporate ambition turns lethal, and where a single secret can destroy everything. So today we are deep diving into the ultimate dark romance and erotic thriller watchlist. We are skipping the basic recommendation and looking at the three massive films that capture the exact same addictive energy, but with actual psychological depth, wild plot twist, and incredible chemistry. If you love romance with a heavy side of suspense, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification, and let's get started. First up on our list is a movie that takes the concept of watching to a completely dangerous level, The Voyeurs, starring Sydney Sweeney and Justice Smith. The story follows a young sweet couple who move into a gorgeous downtown loft. The catch: their windows look directly into the apartment across the street, belonging to a highly addictive, incredible, attractive, and wildly volatile couple. What starts as a little bit of harmless, late-night curiosity quickly spirals into full-blown obsession. They start tracking the neighbors' fight, their affairs, and their secrets. But here is why this is fit the 365 Days vibes. It deals with heavily psychological thrill of the forbidden. The chemistry is sleek and modern, but the complete story about being noisy. This script pulls the rug completely out from under you with a final act that is utterly jaw-dropping. Next, we are dialing up the psychological warfare with Deep Water, featuring Ben Affleck and Ana de Armas. If you thought the power dynamics in 365 Days were intense, wait until you see this marriage. They play Vic and Melinda, a wealthy couple in a small town. To avoid messy divorce, Vic allows Melinda to have open affairs with younger men. It's a toxic, twisted arrangement meant to keep the peace, but the real thrill begins when Melinda's lovers start mysteriously disappearing or ending up dead. The entire movie relies on raw magnetic friction. Ana de Armas plays the ultimate provocateur, while Affleck is a trickling time bomb. You are constantly asking yourself, is he doing all these things to keep her? It's dark, it's beautiful, and it perfectly captured the wealthy, high-stake atmosphere where love and hatred look exactly the same way. Now let's talk about a film that became a massive streaming sensation for its sheer intensity, Fair Play. Unlike the other movies on this list that focus purely on domestic criminal obsession, Fair Play takes place in the brutal, high-stake world of Manhattan hedge fund. We follow Luke and Emily, a young, deeply passionate couple who are secretly engaged because their company bans workplace romance. The dynamic is incredibly fiery until Emily gets a massive unexpected promotion that Luke thought was his. Suddenly the passion transforms into a toxic, ego-driven power struggle. What makes this is a must-watch if you like the vibes of the 365 Days, and the shifting power is dynamic. It explored how quickly intense affection can curdle into jealousy and control when money and status are on the same line. The tension in the second half of the movie is so thick, it's genuinely hard to breathe. So whether you want the modern corporate warfare of the Fair Play or the voyeuristic twist of The Voyeurs, these three films will absolutely fill that 365 days void on your next movie night. But now I want to hear from you. Which of these are you putting at the top of your watch list? Or did I leave out a dark thriller that you absolutely love? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to drop a like if this gave you some good recommendation. Subscribe for more deep dives into thriller, romance, cinemas, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.